It's barbecue season and I want to show you guys how to properly light your new charcoal grill. This works on a Weber kettle or any charcoal grill. Ladies and gentlemen, throw out your lighter fluid because that stuff just gets in your meal and compromises the taste. A chimney starter is a safe and very effective method of starting your charcoal. And the best way to know when your charcoal is ready, it's when the chimney starter stops smoking and you see a lot of flames shooting out and the top of the coals just starting to ash over. It's usually around 15 to 20 minutes or so. But once you see that, it's time to dump the charcoal, preheat the grill, and start grilling. So long story short, get a chimney starter. That's it for me, guys. Catch you guys on the next one.